Welcome to our A1 speaking course. So, as all of you know, this is our full Goethe A1 speaking course series. Okay. So, in today's video, we'll see part 3 of this series, important question and answers. So, I will share one screen with you and you will get to know what are these important question and answers. Now, this is Goethe A1 part 3 speaking. So here we'll see common A1 speaking questions, right? Very important, and usually they'll come in your exam. Now, what are these common exam questions? Wo wohnen Sie? Meaning, where do you stay? You can ask your partner these type of questions. Suppose one particular topic is given because this is a partner-based activity. Was machen Sie beruflich? Beruflich is professionally. So, what do you do professionally? Beruflich. Beruf is profession. Beruflich is professional. Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Which languages do you speak? Was sind Ihre Hobbys? What are your hobbies? Sind Sie verheiratet? Meaning, are you married? Now, model answer also we'll see here. For these respective questions, we'll see model answers. First one is Ich wohne in München. I stay in or I live in Munich. Ich bin Lehrer. I'm a teacher. Lehrer is teacher. Ich spreche Deutsch und English. You can add here bisschen Deutsch, meaning little German also. Meine Hobbys sind Fußball spielen und Reisen. Reisen is to travel. So my hobbies are playing football and traveling. And the last answer will be for that question. Sind Sie verheiratet? Are you married? Nein, ich bin nicht verheiratet. Okay. So these are few sample questions and answers most commonly used in Goethe A1 speaking. So, as it is a partner based activity, either you will ask this type of question to your partner and vice versa. Your partner will ask you this type of questions. So, you should be thorough with questions as well as answers, right? So, I hope this is clear with you. That's all for today, friends. Subscribe to my channel. If you are new, I am actually coming up with all these exam related videos. So if you are preparing for Goethe A1, do subscribe and see you in next video. Till then, practice the structure. That's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.